Cool, right. Let's see, got some pickups here. More Pokemon games. Yeah, 3DS. Cart only, you know. Very nice. They were shipped together. Let's see how they look. Okay. I don't think it's possible to fake 3DS games. Some scratches on the case. And overall, pretty good condition. I'll just kind of wipe these down before adding them to my collection. We got a alcohol wipe here. I think it's probably okay to just gently wipe the cartridge. It shouldn't hurt the label too much. Should be fine. Some TLC and you're good as new. Rub the pack. We like the little serial numbering on the back, so let's not touch that. And just quick wipe on the contacts. Okay, maybe that spot. There you go. Cool. A little bit better. Wipe to dry. And let's do the same thing on this one. Oh, the label here is peeling a little bit. That's probably because there's dirt underneath. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Wipe, and then we'll test to make sure they work as well. Get my 3DS over here. Okay. Just to make sure the games we buy are working. Some dirt there. Pretty pesky. Not coming off. Scrub a little bit harder. Okay. And give. Wipe there. Wipe the edges. Wipe the edges. Okay. We got a cleaner looking cartridge now. We got Pokemon Rumble World and Pokemon Moon. Oops. Refocus. There we go. There we go. Out of focus. Yeah, this video is going to be great. Cool. See, shiny. Shiny. Cool. Let's start good old DS. 2DS. Hello. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. All right. Pokemon Moon first. Looks good. There's Pokemon Moon. Let's just launch. Ooh, yeah. Cool. Oh. Someone played for 17 hours or 17 minutes? Cool. Ta-da! Great. Close. Okay. Alright, next game. Rumble World. Oh, I didn't do a very good job cleaning these. Let's see. Maybe we can see if we can do a better job cleaning this. Here I got a microfiber cloth. And I'm just gonna just wipe it through. Okay, it looks a little bit cleaner. I should go back and clean this later. Oh, actually that works. I can use my nail and then just brush the material in. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm happy with that. Okay, in you go, Pokemon Rumble World. Nice. Huh. Okay. Time has changed on my clock. Whoa. This person has a lot of Pokemon. And this weird Pokemon, I don't even know how to play. Crazy, crazy. Cool. Very nice. All right. Okay, close. Nice. All right. Out you go. Well, the last thing I got was pretty weird. I ordered this super sketch version of Pokemon Pearl. Let's see. Oh, the color's off because of this. Here, let's see if we can fix the. Here, you can see the label has its run through. You know, it's been really dipped in coffee. I think the game looks pretty legit. You know, I looked at the cartridge. It doesn't even have the code anymore. It has some Sharpie here. And yeah. Look at those pins. Okay, so I will try to clean this the best I can, and I don't know, if I don't do a good job, I probably shouldn't put this in the TS. Okay. Alright, we'll just do a basic wipe. I mean, the person who shipped it to me sent it to me in this empty envelope rolling around, so I don't think they really cared about the game too much. And I think, let's see, I paid a little bit too much for this game, but the game does look real, so let's see how this goes. At this point, I might just tear off, relabel it, but at least I can see what game it is. And I don't think these stains are going to come out. It's really like soaked through the label, but at least we can just do a quick wipe on the cartridge. Yeah, and I don't know how to get out Sharpie, so I'll just kind of scrub here. See what happens. This cartridge has seen some tough times. Yep, and we believe this to be working. There's like a little piece of dirt in that corner there. It's kind of gross. I guess you get what you pay for though, right? Alright, I'm not gonna rub the contacts, but I will get this little piece of sticky residue off. Yeah, there you go. Don't want to know what that is. It's like this game was buried in dirt or something. So, but you know, if it works, it's a game. It is what it is. Pokemon Pearl, I believe. I paid $20 for this copy in this state, and maybe it's worth $30 on a good day. So there you go. I thought it'd be fun to try to clean it a little bit. Okay, so exterior looking better. I'm gonna rub the front one more time. Yep. Okay. And to clean the contacts, I will try a Q-tip. Try a Q-tip and see if I can soak through. Okay. Okay, got my Q-tip. It's drenched. I'm supposed to dry it. Not supposed to use 70%, but this is what I have. And I'm just gonna go in and soak those contacts. Yeah, you can kind of see it coming out. Soaking the contacts. I'm putting the cartridge down just to drain any extra liquid. And yeah, the Q-tip can't really get in here, so I'll just go run through with my nail again. And do one more time. Okay. Get my microfiber cloth and just go through each one. So here you can see how it is before. And I'm just going to go through each one. Okay, just definite improvement here. Just pushing this cloth through. Okay. You know, I looked up some videos on how to open the cartridge and kind of thinking about that, but I think these games are glued shut, so once you pop it open, it'd be somewhat of a challenge to put it back together without glue or materials. So we'll stick to just external cleaning for now. Yep, number 3. Oh, geez, this is a lot. Only if there's like an easier way. I'm just gonna get the corner and okay, alright. Back to the toothpicking. Blind toothpicking. Game gets messed up. Who cares? Am I scratching the contacts? Dirt's really caked on in there. I'm definitely seeing some improvement. So we'll keep at this for a while. you shouldn't use this spear in kind of the side. Yeah. That's looking better. We're getting the hang of this. And then we'll turn this around for profit. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh, those little grooves. Yeah, we can see the dirt coming off this toothpick and coming off on this cloth. Keep working at it. Let's see. Detoured. All right, back to it. Maybe, yeah, let's just go here. Start again. Cool. Nice. Cool. Looks better. Okay. How does that look? Still some dirt. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit more, one more round on each one. Do not want this in my console. Is it even worth it? No foreign substances. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Someone else can clean this in the future. Okay. We've scratched our contacts. Good job, us. And if you look at the angle, you can see some of the dirt still. So, there you go. Okay, alright. Pokemon Pearl. Fingers crossed. Oh, of course it works. Seven looks good. Ooh. Let's see who's on this. Someone that played for 43 minutes. Nice. There I am. And good. Oh, that was a cool moment.